Every year, a staggering 1.3 billion pounds of cigarette butts are carelessly discarded, making them one of the most pervasive forms of litter worldwide. Cigarettes, once a symbol of luxury and sophistication, have a history shrouded in centuries past. These slender sticks of tobacco have evolved into one of the most widespread forms of addiction and environmental degradation in modern times. When it comes to addressing the cleanup of messes caused by humans, pinpointing accountability may seem challenging. However, this is where Code Effort steps in. Code Effort Private Limited is a company committed to recycling cigarette butts for the preservation of our environment.
When we started in 2018, we were doing around 10 to 15 grams of cigarette waste on a daily basis. But within our 5 years of journey, we have reached to more than 1.5 tons of cigarette butts that we are recycling daily, which in turn becomes to we have recycled more than 10 billion cigarette butts so far and have saved more than 400 billion liters of water from contamination. Apart from that, we have also reduced certain amount of carbon footprint that would have been generated if these cigarette butts were not recycled. Hello everyone, my name is Naman Gupta. I come from Noida city based in Uttar Pradesh. I did my schooling from Vishwabharati and after that pursued BCom from Delhi University. And when I was in my third year doing BCom, at that time I realized this problem of cigarette butts in our own city, Noida. When we started our company Code Effort in 2018, at that time there were no existing recyclers or cigarette waste management companies. Plus, there were very inadequate laws and regulations regarding cigarette butts. So this became the stepping stone for us and a gateway to develop an end-to-end solution wherein we were collecting, recycling and manufacturing various products from the recycled cigarette butts. In our business model, the major challenge that we face is awareness, because cigarettes as a topic and smoking is a very sensitive topic in India. So not everybody is very receptive or keen in discussing about the problem of cigarettes and cigarette butts as a whole. In our case, the products that we manufacture are specifically handmade by the rural women artisans because we want to promote women empowerment and rural upliftment.
मेरा नाम पूनम है, मैं नंगली गांव में रहती हूँ और मैं ये 5 साल से काम कर रही हूँ। और प्रोडक्ट हम जब बना रहे हैं, कुछ पेपर के हैं, कुछ क्रोशिया के हैं, ये सब हम बना रहे हैं और हम 10 से 12 लेडीज़ काम कर रही हैं। जैसे हमें ये क्रोशिया हम ये चलाते हैं, इसका हम ये काम कर रहे हैं। तो ये पहले हमें चलाना तो आता था लेकिन हमें इसकी बुनाई नहीं आती थी। जो भी हम कोई भी टॉय बना रहे हैं उसके लिए हमें सर जी वीडियो देते हैं, उसको हम देख के ये सब हम बना रहे हैं।
मेरा नाम वर्षा है, मैं नंगली गांव में रहती हूँ। मैं ये काम 4 साल से कर रही हूँ। मेरा काम है ये वर्ड बनाना और ये ऑक्टोपस, बैंगन, आम, तरबूज, ये सारे काम मैं कर लेती हूँ। और अगर कोई नई लेडीज आती है तो उसको हम लोग सिखाते भी हैं।
जी, मेरा नाम माया है और क्या नाम, मैं ऐसे ही 5-6 महीने से इस काम को कर रही हूँ। अच्छा, ये हम ये क्रोशिया काम करते हैं और क्या नाम, इस जो एक पीस बनाने में हमारे कम से कम 2 घंटे लग जाते हैं। और मतलब दिन में सही से टाइम दें हम तो इसको बना देंगे, 5-6 पीस बना देंगे।
The process that we follow for recycling is completely automated. So there we don't rely on diesel or petrol or any exhaustive resource. We do it through electricity, and the machinery that we have is using very less amount of energy to recycle the materials.
The journey of recycling these cigarette butts begin by collecting them and separating them into paper, tobacco and fiber by hand. The separated paper starts a new life in paper production, while the tobacco transforms into a healthy compost for the environment. The fiber from the cigarette butts is then chopped up in a cutting machine, with water added by the operator to keep it just right. The fiber is further treated with two chemicals, one to remove impurities and the other to remove any remaining color. The mixture rests for 24 hours, allowing the chemicals to work their part. After this rest period, the fiber goes into a drying machine to remove moisture, taking around 40 minutes for each batch to dry up. Once dried, it's off to another machine that fluffs it up, giving it a cotton-like appearance. The recycled cigarette fiber, now soft and fluffy, is sent to creative artisans who work their magic to turn it into a variety of soft toys. Code Effort has expanded their use of these fibers to now include the creation of mannequins as well.
All the mannequins are made by fiberglass or plastic, low-grade plastic that we buy from the normal market. Okay, but in our case, it is made from recycled fibers, which is toxin-free. We haven't added any chemicals to it to strengthen it. Plus, it is also sustainable in terms of it is a cruelty-free product. It is durable as good as the other mannequin that you buy. Plus, it's affordable. We feel and we are working towards expanding or replicating our model into the Western market also to provide them with an adequate solution of cigarette butts in their society and in their nation. And meanwhile, while we expand to other countries, we are trying to create a model wherein the recycled products also start getting recurring business and recurring demand, so that the entire business model can scale up at a rapid pace.
While Code Effort is certainly making a significant contribution to environmental conservation, each one of us must take responsibility for living sustainably. We all have a part to play in safeguarding our planet for future generations.